Did you know that if you're growing hardneck garlic, you have a bonus vegetable that is not only delicious, but it is going to make your garlic bulbs 20 to 30% bigger by harvesting. That's right. I'm talking about these whimsical vegetables called garlic scapes. Stay tuned, I'm going to show you how to harvest them. Today we're harvesting garlic scapes. So you can only grow scapes with the hardneck garlic. It's a variety that grows in colder climates, and if you can grow it, I highly suggest growing this type. You can also get scapes with elephant garlic. So this is what a scape looks like. It always makes this little whimsical circle, and it grows right out of the top of the garlic, as you can see, and this is the garlic flower. So if you were to let this go, it would go all the way up and make a flower. All you need to do is grab yourself a pair of clippers or a knife, and you can just clip. So you want to clip your scape close to where they start. And actually, what's great about these is they will also just pop right off. So if you didn't grab your clippers, you can still harvest. I'm going to go ahead and harvest a few of these. I'll be right back. Hi. If you are enjoying this video, please like and subscribe to this channel. I have a lot of fun things going on here. Thank you. All right, so by harvesting the scapes at this point, they are going to allow your garlic heads to get bigger by 20 to 30%. And this is also the perfect time to harvest them. They're most tender at this point, so they're going to be the tastiest. You can do many things with these scapes. You can use them just like you would garlic for flavoring. They have a milder taste, but they are delicious. You can chop them up and saute them. They have sort of a little bit of an asparagus taste. You can dehydrate them, make a powder that can be a seasoning, for like the winter months when you may need something a little fresher tasting. And you can also use them for making things like pesto. You can pickle them. There's so many things you can do with garlic scapes. I hope you'll give them a try. And please let me know in the comments if you have any specific recipes that you love making with the scapes, or if you try this. And I will be doing another video on making things with the scapes, so stay tuned and follow me and like this video.